Today, we'll be making the Hong Kong dessert red bean pudding, also called bu zai go. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. In a large bowl, add in rice flour, tapioca flour, water, then give it a good mix until it all comes together. Once combined, we'll set this aside, and to a pot, we'll add in our water. Then add in brown slab sugar. We'll cook to dissolve the sugar completely to make our syrup. Now we'll pour in our hot syrup into our previously made mixture. Make sure to pour your syrup bit by bit and stir continuously. Now for our red beans, you'll need to cook it for about 12 minutes until soft. Then divide your drained red beans into your serving sizes. Today I'm using silicone cupcake molds, but you can also use any plates or bowls that fit. Then pour in your mixture and we'll steam it over high heat for 20 minutes. This will take about 2 batches to complete. Once your toothpick comes out clean, it's done cooking. Let your red bean pudding cool and harden, and there you have it, delicious bu zai go. Enjoy!